Hello friends. Today, we will talk about the Range Rover Sport 2023 model, which has new technological advantages of the off-road class, leaving behind many off-road models. The new Range Rover Sport is the most powerful and fastest form of Land Rover's extravagant SUV to date, and the type of vehicle best suited for off-road use. The all-wheel drive model matches the latest off-road developments, innovations and delivers the most powerful technology and performance imaginable. The Range Rover Sport redefines luxury by seamlessly blending Range Rover sophistication, elegant design and luxury to deliver a confident and natural driving experience. The third period pattern is one of the best, highest and most evolving patterns. Reliable and powerful powertrains include an expanded lineup of 6-cylinder electric hybrids, a powerful new V8 engine, quiet 6-cylinder Ingenium petrol and diesel engines. Land Rover plans to introduce an all-electric powertrain in 2024. The car's interior combines structural refinement with innovative design, elegant sophistication and impeccable finishes from the finest materials, combined with precise and smooth handling. The cabin exudes a relaxed mood, enhanced by a more modest steering wheel, neatly constructed seats, and a raised waistline. A comfortable driving position provides excellent all-round visibility, driving confidence, and allows the driver to perfectly control the new Range Rover Sport on rough terrain. The engraved exterior features perfect details, such as the hidden front grille and digital LED lighting fixtures that project daytime running lights. The model features the thinnest design ever seen on a Land Rover, a straight body that enhances visual width enhanced by dark accents sits on a double drop skid plate. The flawless exterior lines are accentuated by beautifully crafted glass handles and door handles, hidden waistlines and a laser-welded roof with a precise, technical and sophisticated look. These innovations in plans provide unrivaled performance optimization. Sensational dimensions emphasize the Range Rover Sport's distinctive personality with short overhangs, an attractive front end, front and rear windows. These characteristic components create strengths for an impressive appearance, and play a role in enhancing durability and performance. The high-level design, enhanced by adaptable MLA engineering, makes the cabin of the new Range Rover Sport wider than ever, creating more space for travelers and their luggage. The Pivi Pro infotainment system features a high-resolution 13.1-inch flat touchscreen at the center of the innovative instrument cluster. Controlling everything, from the route to media to vehicle settings, it also remembers the driver's actions and distributes all information across devices, truly replacing the driving assistant. Power units include 6-cylinder diesel engines of types D250, D300 and D350, as well as powerful inline gasoline engines Ingenium P360 and P400. The new P510 is designed to meet the needs of drivers who are looking for an electric hybrid engine, high performance and a zero-emission electric vehicle, driving range of over 125 kilometers. It combines Land Rover's 3.0-litre 6-cylinder Ingenium petrol engine, a 105 kilowatts electric motor, and a 38.2 kilowatt-hours battery, for a total of 375 kilowatts, 510 horsepower. It easily accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.4 seconds, and has a range of up to 125 kilometers. This is enough for most drivers to make 75% of their trips on electricity. On the other hand, the new 390 kilowatts, 530 horsepower, V8 twin-turbo engine for the Range Rover accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds with the most breathtaking acceleration pattern, activated by dynamic launch, for extra instinctive pleasure. Land Rover has become a leader in air suspension for the first time. Every new Range Rover Sport uses the latest high-strength air suspension to deliver unparalleled handling, from quick response and improved ride quality to off-road capability. It is attractive, precise and soft, the perfect combination of lightness and handling, creating a truly energetic character. For the first time, the system features volumetric air dampers, with dual adjustable air chambers for greater performance. The tension of the electronically controlled springs can be controlled using a control valve. For smoother and more unique handling, chamber pressure has been increased for smoother cornering and increased agility, giving the rider added comfort and the ability to focus on driving. The unique air suspension also features preemptive suspension technology, which senses heading forward to adjust the suspension for oncoming corners and stay calm. He skillfully uses eHorizons route information to perfectly plan the best trip. Cross-country travel just got a lot more free and easy, thanks to the innovative all-in-one cross-country travel management system in the new Range Rover Sport. This takes all-terrain progress control to the next level, by recognizing ground conditions and naturally adjusting vehicle speed to keep up with stability, control and comfort with a choice of 4 comfort settings. We have come to the end of another interesting episode, my friends. If you are interested in other mysterious, luxurious and extravagant cars, do not forget to subscribe and like our channel.